Yeah, so we've been in business since 1976. Started out in a small town down south of here, Duncanville.
Yep.
And the owner of our company, still owner today, Paul Tacker, he bought the company from a guy named Rick.
That's where the name comes
That's
from.
where the name Rick came from.
Yep.
And it was just a small, little, tiny hardware company, and he took it over, and we are now at 38 employees.
Yeah.
So yeah, we really instilled that culture in our through our interview process, and that's from the ground up. We always tell our employees there's not one employee more important than them when they go in to see the home and everything's outfitted with the cabinet hardware and the door hardware. Like, okay, now I get it. Now it really makes a statement. It really changes the look of what we're going for.